Today I'm going to be using heat in my hair. I'm going to be flat ironing it, so I just want to walk you through how I prep my hair before using heat. Okay, so this is the By Elle Jones leave-in conditioner. This is one of the things that I use to prep my hair for heat. So I use this every time I shampoo my hair because in addition to it conditioning the hair, it also acts as a heat protectant. So it has ingredients in it for heat protectant as well as it detangles. So it does like 3 things in one, you know. So I make sure to spray it all over the hair. And I'm very generous with it because even though I do not like my hair weighed down, this does not weigh your hair down. It's in the spray form. It's not in a cream form. I do not like cream leave-in conditioners because I feel like they are too heavy. So I'm just gonna make sure to comb this in. And I want to make sure it's evenly distributed all over the hair so that when I'm flat ironing, you know, all of my hair is protected. Okay, so this helps it. I always put this on while it's wet. And just make sure you comb all the way through. You always want to use a wide tooth comb when you're combing your wet hair because your hair is more fragile when it's wet. So there you go. Leave-in conditioner. That's the first step to adding heat protectant in the hair.